everybody, what's going on? Today we are playing Adopt Me, and guess what I got? I got the 3 legendary supercars. Let's test these out. Oh, this thing is huge. Look at this. Can you even drive? No, it can't drive. Oh, oh, oh. Let's try out the blue one. Oh, look at this. Oh! Ah! By the way, this Game Pass costs 1,000 Robux for all the 3 supercars. So, yeah. Ah! Oh, there's somebody else with some supercars. Oh, this thing is so cool. Am I glitched? Oh, I'm glitched. Can't be driving through it. No, I'm glitched. Oh, these supercars are so cool. Oh, cool guy's on. All right, I'm gonna teleport. I'm gonna teleport to my friend. Come. Oh, and here. Oh, and here. Rick, come. I want to show you. Guys, come. Bro, follow me. Come on. There'll be a supercar waiting outside. This thing is like... I'll give him that one. There. Oh, you can only do it on trade box. And can I have pen? I'll do the trade fast. I'll give it that one. That one's legendary. There. Enjoy it, my dude. Enjoy this supercar. All right, let's try out this one. Let's try out... Whoa! What? Oh, what? Yeah, I got nothing. Oh, this is so fat. I like this blue one right here. I like the blue one. All right, come on, hop in, dude. Hop in. All right, so the review is you got the purple one. You got that one I just traded. I don't know why. I mean, he was like a real friend, so I traded it. This cool guy, big shout out to him. Wait, I need to go get a ride potion for my, whatchamacallit? This thing is so dang fast. I can barely even control it. Like, look at how fast this thing is. Like, this, ouch. Ran into a pole. Ran into another pole. You guys are gonna ignore that, right? There. Need to get a ride potion for my penguin. I mean, fly. Fly or ride. Fly. I'm pretty sure fly. Pretty sure fly. Having those supercars in my inventory are cool. 200? Oh. Alright. Oh, feed. Enjoy it! I can fly him now. Whee! Whee! Flying a penguin. Nothing gets better than this. How do you like unfly? Stop right. Alright, so this is the blue supercar. It is fast. Look at how fast this thing is. And then you have this one called the Douglas. It's really fast too. Like these are some really, ouch. These are like some really fast cars. Oh. Yeah, these are like really fast. These are like really fast. Well, guys, I'm gonna end it there. This is 1,000 Robux. It's a 1,000 Robux Game Pass. I highly recommend you guys buy it because, I mean, it's really good Game Pass. Can I please get something? Sure. He wants a sloth. He told me in like real life they want a sloth. How much are the sloths? Might be able to get one. $1.99. Yeah, sure. I'll get it. Okay, right now, come back. Here. Casually giving it. Man. Well, guys, I'm gonna end it there. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.